Before proceeding with installation, make sure you're using Linux-based OS. You should also have NPM installed. Docker is optional, but recommended. Let's start with Node.js setup. Open NVM GitHub page and scroll down to installing and updating. Choose either curl or wget command. Now we can install Node.js. This installation method is intended if you wish to launch and use STH quickly without unnecessary installations. We'll download STH package from npmjs.com. You can see the newest stable release version here. If you have the CLI already installed, you should omit the last part. This command will download and install Transform Hub package. Let's start the Transform Hub. Control-C exits the process. You can also type STH to launch Transform Hub. This installation method is intended if you wish to contribute or build Transform Hub from source. To successfully build STH, you'll also need Lerna, Yarn, JQ, Python, pip. Let's install them. You can find the commands in the description. Open and clone STH repository. This process may take up to several minutes. This command will remove the Node modules folder and package lock file. Then we'll install a fresh copy of them. Next step applies to Docker users. This command will build Docker dependencies. Run it with the Docker compose up command. STH is up and running. Back to the repository page. Copy the command to run the hub without Docker Compose. Back to the root folder. We can also use yarn start command to start the transform hub. Port flag is optional. 8000 is the default port for STH. Additionally, we can install a completion script to easier navigate through our CLI. First, start STH. Download the Hello World sample. You'll find link in the description. Now we have to start the sequence. Deploy function will send and start the sequence in the transform hub. Sequence and its instance are up and running. Use SI-INST output to connect to the output data stream. This character means last ran selected instance. You can see that STH received requests.